Hello friend, in this short video you will learn everything about the smartphone Realme Narzo N55 in a couple of minutes. Let's go. Realme, the Chinese tech giant, has been giving tough competition to the market leaders in the smartphone industry. However, not all their products have managed to hit the bullseye. The Realme Narzo N55, the focus of this review, falls in this category, a device that is not far from becoming a success story but lacks a few finishing touches. The device sports an ergonomic design that appeals to many users. The body's shape, the neat arrangement of the dual-camera setup, the side-mounted fingerprint scanner, and the almost bezel-less 6.72-inch IPS screen with an 8-megapixel front camera are all designed to cater to the mid-range market segment. The display boasts a full HD Plus resolution, a 90 Hz refresh rate, and a brightness of almost 700 nits, making it a noteworthy feature of the device. However, when it comes to the technical specifications, some doubts arise. The device runs on a MediaTek Helio G88 chipset, which is not the latest in the market. A newer chipset from the same line would have been a wiser choice. With 4GB or 6GB of RAM and the Mali G52MC2 GPU, the device can handle the Android 13 interface, but it struggles with demanding games such as Genshin Impact and Wreckfest, even with the graphics settings turned down. On the other hand, less graphic-intensive games like PUBG Mobile can be played without any issues. The internal storage of 64GB or 128GB is expandable with micro SD cards. The device houses a 5000 mAh battery that can last up to 1.5 days of active use, and it also supports 33W fast charging. The camera setup, comprising a 64-megapixel main sensor and a 2-megapixel depth sensor, lacks a wide-angle lens and a telephoto lens, which may limit the shooting scenarios. The main sensor from OmniVision performs well in daylight photography, and the night mode feature in the software can enhance the image details in low-light conditions. However, the absence of optical stabilization means that the device may not be the best choice for professional photography. The device also lacks stereo speakers and NFC support, which may disappoint audiophiles and users who prefer contactless payments. In conclusion, the Realme Narzo N55 is a mid-range device that falls slightly short of being a hit. While the design and display are impressive, the technical specifications leave room for improvement. The device's camera setup also has some limitations, and it lacks some features that have become standard in its price range. Despite these shortcomings, the device can be a good option for users who are not looking for a top-of-the-line smartphone and are willing to compromise on certain features. This concludes the review. Bye-bye.